do it. Okay. This is CJ Wells, property manager. Now we have a tenant in a wonderful property, and they have done some things on their own, which can put the property for the landlord at risk. So we have Jason again, our electrician, who's going to take a look at one of these situations that the tenant got themselves into and what he would recommend. So here's Jason again. Here you go.
Hello again. Hi. We noticed that the tenant had installed a makeshift kind of lighting situation here, as you can see, taped up to the gutter, and then extension cord all the way back through the garage, poking out through what's not an exit of the garage per se, and plugged into a receptacle. Also, you can see the light is on. That obviously brings costs up with energy efficiency. So what we would suggest is installing conduit through both garages and installing lights, one for each unit associated, and on a photo cell, so that it comes out in the morning or comes out in the evening, goes out off in the morning.
Would a photo cell be bright enough at nighttime to light this?
Absolutely. The floodlight would be just as bright, but it would come on at dusk and turn off at dawn.
Okay. All right. Okay, let's look further all the way around into this garage.
Never safe, tacked up extension cords. Another splice point here, point of arcing, potential fire hazard. And then this entry point, certainly not what it's meant to do. All the way through, tacked up here, and of course, you can see it plugged in right here.
So how would you approach this in making it safer?
So because we're in a concealed garage and residential, we can use Romex cable exposed like this. We can come out of that same box, penetrate this wall, penetrate the exterior wall, and set two lights, or one light pertaining to this unit, and then do the same thing on that side from that garage for that unit, and have two lights out there, safely installed.
Outstanding. Outstanding. Okay, and this is CJ. We're going to talk about pricing a little bit, ballpark estimates of what it might take to make these repairs to keep a property safe and according to code. Thanks. This is CJ. Over and out. Bye, Jason.
Bye, thank you.